How are you going to succeed on Fiverr in 2021? Hey, what's up you guys? It's Mike Nardi here. In this video, we're going to be talking about Fiverr success in the coming year. We're just around the corner from another New Year's, and with 2021 upon us, I'm sure we're all looking to put 2020 behind us and find a lot of success in the new year. So how are you going to do that? That is exactly what this video is about. This video is about how to find success on Fiverr in 2021. So I'm putting this video together based on the feedback, the comments, and the conversations I've had with viewers of this YouTube channel over the past year. Based on my experience and what I feel like a lot of people are going through on Fiverr, I think that the steps and the things that I'm listing in this video are really great ways that can help a lot of you turn things around and really crush it on Fiverr in 2021. So the first thing that I think everyone needs to do to find success on Fiverr in 2021 is to have a willingness and an understanding that you need to go outside of your comfort zone. Things like, if you've ever thought to yourself, but Mike, I don't have any skills to sell. Go out of your comfort zone. Learn new skills to sell. Or if you've had the thought cross your mind that Fiverr is too competitive or it's too saturated, you need to get out of your comfort zone and find ways to become a fierce competitor on the platform yourself. And this is the number one thing that I hear all the time. Mike, my gig impressions or clicks or orders are decreasing. Find ways or figure out why it's decreasing and go outside your comfort zone, out of the norm, out of the complacent routine that you've fallen into, and find a way to turn it around, because you can totally do it. So that's number one. Find ways to improve, even if it means going outside your comfort zone. I'll be honest with you, most of the time, finding the success that you're probably hoping to find on Fiverr is going to come from stretching the boundaries and stretching the realm of what's possible for you and doing things to improve and just really break out of your comfort zone and do stuff that's going to be awesome. The second thing to help you crush it on Fiverr in 2021 is to understand that it's not going to be easy at all. If you go back and you look at your YouTube search history and all the Fiverr related videos you're looking at are how to make money on Fiverr easily, or how to make money on Fiverr with no skill, or how to make money on Fiverr without doing the work, you're not understanding what I'm trying to tell you here. It's not going to be easy. Nothing in life that makes a lot of money or is worth doing is easy. If you want to succeed on Fiverr in 2021, you need to erase that notion from your mindset, from your vocabulary. Being successful in business, not just on Fiverr, is not easy. It takes hard work, it takes skills, it takes determination, and it takes persistence. There's no secret red pill, blue pill you can take to do it the easy way. There is no easy way. So have the understanding that it's going to be hard, and if you have that understanding and you're willing to put in the work to crush it and build your Fiverr empire, you're going to be a leg up on everyone else doing it who has the wrong mindset, which is the mindset that it's going to be easy. So that's number two. Understand that it's not going to be easy. The third thing that'll help you succeed on Fiverr in 2021 is to stop talking and start doing. One thing I notice with the internet in general is that it creates this vacuum or echo chamber where people spend so much time talking about the things they want to do, talking about the reasons they're not finding success, talking about why things aren't fair or things are working against them. I'm telling you, if you want to be successful on Fiverr or in the business world in general, put that routine and that practice aside. Stop talking about it and start doing it. The people who are most successful in following their dreams and building something substantial and worthwhile are the people who take action, not the people who talk about taking action. So this is an important one. In our world, in the world of people like us who want to succeed and make money on Fiverr, all that matters is the work you put in and the things you do. Nobody cares what you say, what you gossip about, what you argue about, what you think's not going your way. All they care is about the awesome work you do and the awesome efforts you put in to delivering great products, great services, and building a great brand. So that's number three. Stop talking about it and start doing it. Number four, And what might be the most important on this list is to be positive and have a positive mindset. Listen, I know it can be tough to get started on a platform like Fiverr. I know it can be tough to start a business. I know it can be tough to make money. But having negative thoughts or putting yourself down or not believing that you can do it is not going to help you do it. It's going to cause you to give up and stop doing it. So be positive. Be positive, about yourself, the image you have about yourself and the challenge you're undertaking, embarking on this journey. Be positive in interactions with your clients, even if you have buyers that are really making you PO'd or you don't agree with them. Give them the benefit of the doubt. Be positive and have it in your head that you're here to deliver value and a great customer experience. Try to put a positive spin on this whole journey and it'll make it a whole lot easier, and it'll make it a whole lot easier for you to start finding and just uncovering success as you go along. Negative mindsets don't breed successful Fiverr sellers, in my opinion. It's positivity and perseverance that's going to help you break through the tough times, break through the volatility of Fiverr, and break through the slow times it's going to take you to get your business stood up. So that's number 4, is be positive. All right, so if you got to this point of the video and you're like, when's Mike going to tell us about the secret tricks to success on Fiverr or the magic tweaks we can do to our gigs to make a ton of money? That's not what this video is about. This video is about going into 2021 with the mindset of a winner's mindset to help you succeed at building a scalable business on Fiverr. Because I'll be honest with you, I've watched a couple of those get-rich-quick type of Fiverr videos. I've watched a couple of those make money by copying and pasting type of Fiverr videos. Other than maybe letting you rip off 1 or 2 buyers and not being able to actually offer value yourself and outsourcing work and do all this type of nonsense that's not going to help you build a sustainable business, those videos do nothing for you. So I'm hoping that this video can help you have the frame of mind and the mindset going into 2021 that'll help you persevere, that'll help you succeed, and help you, have the right expectations about what you should be focusing on Fiverr. And yeah, these 4 things aren't all that there is. These 4 things aren't all that there is to being successful on Fiverr. You need a skill. You need to deliver projects. You need to do the projects. You need to find buyers. There's so much stuff that goes into being successful on Fiverr. But for 2021, I think that if anyone starts with these types of positive mindsets and right expectations, it's going to set you up for success to take care of the rest. So that's all I have for you today. Thank you for watching, and I hope you crush it in 2021. Cheers.